Exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Exit signs on this airplane identify each exit with a green symbol. Arrows indicate the direction to the exit. Locate the nearest exits using these green symbols and keep in mind they may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carrying items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten a strap to the front of the vest, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down the red tab at the bottom of the vest or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use a life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. Before we take off, be sure seat backs are upright, tray tables and carrying items are stowed. If you're seated in the main cabin, please ensure your aisle armrests are lowered, and in the first class cabin, your aisle armrests are raised. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable flight today. Welcome on board.